your truck's looking good. You got your paint done, your upholstery's done, you got the wheels and tires that you like on there. But you're always looking to put a little bit more customization in there, a little bit more bling. We're always looking for that too. We're looking out for you with these arms right here for your tailgate. Comes with your striker plate. These are stainless steel. I really like stainless steel because it doesn't rust. If you get a scratch in it, you can just go ahead and polish it back out, which you're not going to be able to do with paint. So these come off pretty easy and on pretty easy. Let me show you exactly how that happens. So what we're going to be doing is just lifting this up at about a 45-degree angle, and you'll notice right here, once you get it about right there, this is just going to slide off nice and easy. And then we've got this. Now, sometimes I like to tape that down just because if it gets flopping around, it might chip your paint. So I'll just leash this down a little bit. These are typically just 9/16 bolts. It's real simple. You're just going to take these out. Do your lower one first, because I said so. And your top. Now, while you're doing this, you might as well get yourself some nice new bolts and everything. You're going to want to get a lock washer. You're going to get a washer on there, obviously. You're also going to want to notice that there is a slot in this right here. Okay, so that is that when this is in, we can go ahead and move it back and forth, get our tailgate lined up right, and then go ahead and tighten it. So we'll go ahead and maybe get a little tape on this too to keep it from bumping around. We're going to go ahead and put our top bolt in first this time. Get our bottom here, and I'm just going to tighten these up until they're a little bit snug, and when they are, I'll go ahead and make sure this is pulled all the way forward. Then I can go ahead and attach my arm, lift my tailgate, shut it, double check my alignment, get my alignment where I want, and then I'll be all done. Now, another thing you might want to think about doing the same time you're doing this is we've got these nice new hinges for the tailgates with this polyurethane ring around right here. Helps keep it nice and quiet and kind of match everything up with your stainless steel. Take my tape off here. Just lift the tailgate up like that. We're latched. Bring my tailgate up. Whenever I do my tailgate, I like to open that and then close it. Slamming it every time, that's going to put a lot of stress on everything. So here I can see that I just need to tuck this in a little bit more and then tighten it up, and I'll be all lined up looking nice. But I'm not going to bore you with that. What I want you to do is check out our Instagram, our Facebook, and I want you to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm working hard every week to get these videos out for you. Make sure your car is nice, safe, and good looking. We'll see you out on the road.